How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the garage. My name is Eric, and in today's video we're gonna be taking you guys along a little trip to a meetup that we're having for the SR20 community. Now this is not just specific to the SR20s. Anybody that has a Nissan vehicle, Infinity, even if you have a engine swapped from a Nissan, then you guys are more than welcome to come. So right now I'm prepping the P11 so that we can take it. I'm gonna give it a quick wash, and then I also want to install a strut bar that I got for it. So go ahead and stay tuned for the video. This right here is the strut tower brace that I want to install on the P11. So I got this about, I want to say maybe 2 weeks ago. I haven't got a chance to install it, so I wanted to do that before I take the vehicle to the meet. This is a carbon strut tower brace, if you guys were wondering. So I actually have not told anybody about the JDM front end install. So the guys that I'm gonna be meeting up at the meetup are gonna be the first ones to know about this. But you guys have probably already seen this because I've already probably posted it. To install the strut tower brace on the P11, it's pretty simple. You have to remove these 3 nuts on this side of the strut tower, and then do the same thing on the other side right over here. Once you do that, you're basically gonna install the strut tower brace. As you guys can tell, I was able to fit the carbon strut tower brace to the vehicle. It only took me about 5 minutes to get it mounted. There is something that I noticed on the strut tower bolts right here. The nuts don't have much thread that's getting threaded onto the fasteners that hold this down. I don't think it's going to make a big issue or anything like that. These are just mainly there so that it holds the shock absorber assembly to the strut tower. So I don't think it'll make an issue, but something that I wanted to point out to you guys. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the fitment of this strut tower on the
I'll put mine in neutral. Wait up.
So we're here at the Pavilions meetup. This is a every Saturday meetup that McDonald's hosts. I think this has to be my favorite car here. This P10, nice and clean. To your YouTube channel?
Yeah, our YouTube channel is Doc's Boost.
Alright.
Gotta visit, subscribe, and make sure that you hit that bell so you get notified for all the new content coming your way all the time, and get out there and have some fun.
This is pretty much going to be the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.